Okay, hello and welcome back. And let me introduce to automotive manufacturing process. What's the automotive manufacturing process? Well, it's the phases to steps to create cars. Uh, in these operations, we have operations of process and operations of assembly. What's the difference between those? The first one, process is when you are making some pieces, and assembly is the attach of these pieces to create some bigger. Okay, why is important to have diagrams of process? Well, diagrams of process showing all the phases and steps includes time in and movement. Well, what's the difference in between adjust and tolerance? Adjust refers of the struggling of peace, and tolerance is an specifications that needs to have the piece to the correct functionality of that. And let's start with assemble processing of a car. The assembly of an entire car refers to a production line and starts with the reception and classification of pieces. Uh, in this part, portion, logistic, and warehouse department are in charge to do an inventory, and the inventory refers to the parts that you need to fabricate and this product. Okay, the second one, cutting pieces. Uh, to create pieces, we have some operations, cord, curvature of some materials, and drilling. Why do that? Well, these operations are made to attach with other parts. Without them, the entire structure cannot attach to others. Chassis and body work is the next step. In this step, the pedestal machines are used to carry on with all the structure, with special arms and some adapters, including welding machines with copper electrodes to get strong all the structure. Okay, painting. Uh, Painting not refers only to change the color of a structure. In this part, the workers sealing and applied chemical solutions to prevent future corrosions. Outside and inside are curiously an assembly of an assemble. Why I said that? Well, all the power unit is an assemble, including the engine, including suspension, rotor, brakes, and security system. And all these assemble are attached to the bodywork, and that is another assemble. And the last one, we have verification and testing of products. In this step, some checklists are applied to following a correct functionality of the car, and this verification include a testing to showing up some mistakes that could include in this product, but not that is not easily to find. For example, crackers, something strange sounds, something like that. And sorry, I will a mistake. To summarize all these facts, we have some points. That is, in the same, isn't be the same idea of operation of process and manufacturing, because operation of process are different than operations and manufacturing. Diagrams of process are easier to understand to the workers, and the more you recognize the difference between adjust and tolerance, the more you minimize the mistakes. And that's it. Thank you for attention and see you at the next one. Bye bye.